Hi, hello, namaste. Today in this class, we are going to learn about chemical reactions of aldehydes and ketones. In that, oxidation is our topic. Okay, in that, oxidation. What is mean by oxidation? Removal of hydrogen atom and the addition of oxygen atom is known as oxidation. Ketones are oxidized under the strong oxidizing agent with high temperature with high temperature, but aldehydes can easily oxidize to carboxylic acids even with a mild oxidizing agents such as Tollens reagent and Fehlings reagent. Now let me see what is mean by Tollens test and Fehlings test. Okay, Tollens test. Tollens test. Okay, what is mean by Tollens reagent? That is ammonical ammonical silver nitrate. Silver nitrate. Ammonical silver nitrate is known as Tollens reagent. Ammonical silver nitrate solution is known as Tollens reagent. It's known as Tollens reagent. Clear? Okay. When aldehydes when aldehydes are heated with the ammonical silver nitrate, that is Tollens reagent, to form an carboxylic ion, and there will be a formation of silver mirror on the walls of the test tube. This indicates the presence of aldehydes group. Presence of aldehydes group. For example, when for example, when acetaldehyde, okay, when acetaldehyde is on reaction with the Tollens reagent, that is 2 mole of diamine silver, diamine silver amine, 2 mole of diamine silver ion, and 3 mole of hydroxide ion, and 3 mole of hydroxide ion in the presence of heat to form acetic acid, to form acetic acid, and 2 mole of silver metal and 2 mole of water molecule and 4 mole of ammonia. Okay, this aldehyde group is oxidized to carboxylic group. Okay, and there will be a formation of silver mirror on the walls of the test tube due to the formation of silver metal. Due to the formation of silver metal, which gives black PPT, that is black precipitate, or silver mirror PPT, or silver mirror on the walls of the test tube. Walls of the test tube. Okay, this indicates the presence of aldehydes. This indicates the presence of aldehydes. This is known as Tollens test. This is known as Tollens test. Clear? Okay. And the next test is Fehlings test. The next test is Fehlings test. How we can prepare the Fehling solution? Failing solutions can be prepared by the mixture of failing solution A, that is aqueous copper sulfate, that is aqueous copper sulfate, and failing solution B, and failing solution B, that is alkaline, that is alkaline sodium potassium tartarate, alkaline sodium potassium tartarate, which is also known as Rochelle salt, which is also known as Rochelle salt. In the presence of each, in the presence of each, we get 2 mole of water molecule and sodium sulfate and sodium sulfate and a deep blue color solution known as a copper complex, copper complex, which is known as Fehlings solution, which is known as Fehlings solution, which is known as Fehlings solution, which give a which gives a deep blue color. Clear? Okay. When aldehydes are react with the Fehlings reagent. When aldehydes are react with the Fehlings solution to form an to form an red brown PPT to form a red brown PPT, which indicates a presence of aldehyde group, which indicates a presence of aldehyde group. For example, when acetaldehyde is on reaction with the Fehlings solution. Fehlings solution, that is 2 mole of copper ion, 5 mole of hydroxide ion, 5 mole of hydroxide ion in the presence of heat. In the presence of heat, what we get, this aldehyde is, that is acetaldehyde is converted to acetic acid. Is converted to acetic acid. Clear? And we also get copper oxide. We also get Cu2O, that is copper oxide, and 3 mole of water molecule. 3 mole of water molecule. Here, the copper oxide gives a red brown PPT, that is red brown precipitate, which indicates the presence of aldehyde group. Clear? Okay, thank you.